500 horsepower. Look at these things. 32. A Nissan Silvia. What's up guys? Another day here, checking out workshops. It's basically our last day in Tokyo, so we're just checking out some workshops that are nearby where we're staying. Today we're checking out GTR tuning shop quickly. It's not very big like most of the others, but here we have an R35 that's look like it's slightly modified. I'm not sure what's under the cover there. Almost looks like an NS6. It's got racing wheels on and stuff. This looks like another R35, and this looks like a older 300 ZX. Gazza reckons. Who knows what's under the hood? It's probably 1,000 horsepower. This thing looks crazy. It's got splitters and all sorts. So we'll actually go workshop that's over here. It's so crazy. All these workshops are down like little side streets and tiny workshops. Yep, that's how small the workshop is. It's literally one bay. Got an R32 here though. Pentroof's the name of this place. Pentroof GTR tuning shop. Another R35, 300. It's got pretty crazy flares on it. That's pretty cool. Almost looks factory. It's chilling out here. Look at this thing. Crazy. Gutted interior. It's got a full bolt-in cage by the looks of it. And I guarantee you these things are absolute weapons. There's another workshop, Night Sports. Once again, much smaller than we thought. Looks like an RX-7 there. Working on the RX-7 there. Another FC there. Seem to have all these boxes of brand new parts lying around. They only fit brand new stuff. And I think this workshop sells their own parts. So it's a RX-8 here. Race spec by the looks. Oh my. Look where we are now. The Nismo factory. Holy. R32 GTR. It's got the price tag on it. Holy. It's rather expensive. 7 million yen for this one.
How much is that? Like
factory 500 horsepower.
50 grand, 60
yeah.
grand?
That's insane. Oh, 2.8 litre. Another one here, 400 horsepower. 4.3 million yen. So yeah, these are all around like $50,000 New Zealand, if not more. Check it out, holy crap. Oh my, look at that. And there we have a whole lineup of GTRs. Nismo wheels here, wheel nuts, all sorts of random stuff in here. Apparel, O2 sensors, all sorts. CAS, alternators, R34 headlights. Holy crap, out in the workshop there. Far up, got 4 R32s out there. R34 there. R32, R33, R33, R35. Insane R34 down there. Another 34. Nismo 320k speedo there. Look at these things. Nismo shift knobs, boots, titanium strut brace, clutches, got Nismo floor mats here, LSD, R35 LSD. Here's the back of these engines if it interests you at all. Got a R35 engine here, VR38. And this looks like this is a VR34 turbo, factory turbo. It's R30. R30. 35 here, 32. 33 here. All of these are so immaculate. It's unbelievable. Not a single stone chip or anything. This is one of those things the video doesn't do justice. Being able to see this stuff is insane. So for the door handle, got a cam here. GTR badges and all sorts here. They're like over $100 New Zealand. All these ones here. V-Spec 2 NER, M-Spec NER. You got a Nismo pen. Oh look, over here we've got even more stuff. Spark plugs, oil filters, rods, turbos, crank, intake. Check out the downpipes on this. Crazy. Walk in. This is a valve. A whole bunch of engines. This one's turbo. Hand built. Holy crap. Engines everywhere.
It's the Conroy. CA, the SR.
To VR. Current. Old school engines. SR. Look at it. Immaculate SR. RB26. VG30 det. Old school engines over here. Bloody crazy the history of the engines. Oh, hi. Look at this big bad boy V8. Old school L20 ET. Factory turbo. 1979. That's pretty cool. RB20E. Oh, look at it. Look at it. There's the internals of an RB20E. Here we have a Nissan Silvia. Check it out. That's where it first started. Look how much conrods and pistons have changed. VRH34B. Out of a GT500 car. Holy crap. Look at this. VRT35. Crazy turbo setup here. VRH35Z. Look how far the turbos are up. Pretty decent sized turbos too. Look at this monster. Holy crap. Check this little hisser out. It's a 1 litre turbo. 3 cylinder. No intercooler or anything. Straight hiss. Well, that wasn't it. We've got an upstairs too. Just keeps on going. So we've got all the history of Nissan around here. Come a long way. Look at these. Mini GTRs, mini RB26, VR, another R35 there, small one, V8. Here we go. What do we got here? SR here. That's what they look like without a rod through the side of it. We've got the casting for the SR as well. Pretty crazy. This looks like an RB head, is it? Yep, RB25 head. Seen a few of those around our workshop. VK45. These things are monsters. What's this? 25.
Wait.
RB25 block.
What's the numbers on it? 75T.
75T on the side. Oh, yep, it's genuine.
23U. What? Plus 2.
RB crank. Random stuff like diesel engines around here. Turbo. Oh, that's how they make the alloy blocks. Inside of a CVT transmission. That's what you don't want to be overhauling if they cark it. Inside a cat. Private room. So through here is the boardroom. That's where they decide that They need to come up with a better plan because 1Js are better than RB. So we're walking across the road now to the Nissan factory main building plant. This is where it all goes down, where all those RBs are built. Not too sure about that one. I don't think we can actually go in there and see anything. Quick lunch with a view. Nissan factory over there too. As you can see here in Japan, safety is very minimal. We've got stacks of cars, 3 high, on a small little truck here. Barely looks like they're tied down, but it's Japan, it's alright. RB28 kit, 2JZ 3.6 kit, whole bunch of turbos here. These ones are pretty big. The quality in the Tomei turbos is incredible. You got the SR one here, RB25, Evo 1, EJ, and this one here is the 1JZ one. The downpipes on these are so well made. You can see why they go for so much in price.